Hi guys, it's Kevin from Newfoundland. I am here today to talk about this guitar kit I got from Pango Music. It is an acoustic kit, left-handed, and they were kind enough to send me this kit, and we're going to do a opening and discuss what the stuff is. Me myself, I just got into kit building probably 2 years ago. I'm left-handed, so my options, especially living here on an island, were limited. So I'm after ordering a couple of kits from these guys, and Pango Music I found had like the widest selection, and their prices were right. And let's get into this. Adjust the camera for a second here, guys. This is my first video. So the neck is made out of mahogany and rosewood. Very nice. And the detail in the frets is amazing. There are no sharp edges. Everything is very nice and packaged very well. Next is the body. We'll get into the body. So the body on this, the top is solid spruce, which is very nice, high-end quality guitar. And the sides are rosewood, and the back is rosewood. And like the back looks like a bit of a flame design here. Everything is beautifully done. So with the spruce top, you don't have the grain fill a spruce top, which I like a whole lot. Okay, so next we'll get into the hardware. Everything is packaged, so very nice. Okay, so we have your bridge here. Looks to be a right-handed bridge. That's okay, because I was going to change it out for another one. Okay, let's see what we have here. There's some strings. So they got the saddle and the pins, which are packaged very nicely as well. Have your Allen key for your truss rod. And these tuners don't look too bad either. Nice nice feel, really nice color to them. Yeah. So on my next video, we will go over assembly. I'll send a link to my kit, and until next time, guys, stay safe.